watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome, everyone. As the holidays draw near, it's time to bring the festive spirit into our homes. Today, let's explore the heart of our living spaces, the coffee table. Discover charming Christmas centerpieces that can transform your home into a holiday wonderland. Imagine the allure of a thoughtfully crafted centerpiece gracing your coffee table, instantly inviting the joyous spirit of the season. These festive centerpieces aren't just decorations. They're invitations to embrace the holiday cheer within your living space. Think about the rustic-inspired charm. A wooden tray adorned with pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and holly, creating a cozy woodland atmosphere. Complemented by shimmering candles, they cast a warm and inviting glow, adding an elegant touch. For a timeless and captivating display, consider the classic pairing of vibrant poinsettias in a chic vase, accented by glossy ornaments and twinkling fairy lights. This harmonious ensemble evokes a lasting sense of Christmas elegance. Your coffee table is a canvas for creativity. Play with heights and textures, integrating metallic accents, delicate figurines, or miniature winter scenes enclosed in glass domes for a touch of whimsy. Another enchanting option is a DIY centerpiece project. Craft your masterpiece by assembling a transparent bowl filled with colorful baubles, pine branches, and faux snow, evoking a delightful winter wonderland. Remember, a captivating centerpiece harmonizes with the room's style while infusing it with holiday magic. Whether minimalist or intricate, let your coffee table centerpiece embody the heart of your festive home decor. In closing, celebrate the holiday season by adorning your coffee table with enchanting Christmas centerpieces. These delightful accents mirror your style and immerse your home in the essence of the festive season. Happy decorating!